Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing about the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Steam Mask. Now this is a mask that can be used at home to get the salon-like treatment. This is said to give a very smooth, soft and shiny hair like how we get our hair done in the salon. So let's test it out today. I have already washed my hair with my regular shampoo. I didn't use anything from L'Oreal Paris. This has a mask and a self-heating cap. First, we are supposed to apply this nourishing mask all over the hair from root to tip. The mask smells so good. I'm applying this mask all over my hair, starting from the roots till the tip of my hair. I noticed that this mask has some shiny shimmer particles which is barely noticeable. If you take a closer look, you can definitely see that. I think this is supposed to give that shining to the hair. So this mask retails for Rs 399 and you can get this at Nykaa. Now this mask is really helpful for people who don't have time to visit salon to get their hair done. This mask has a lot of essential oils that is going to help your hair look more shinier, softer and smoother, also reduce some frizziness. Now the quantity of the mask is sufficient for my hair. I have medium and my hair is not thick nor too thin. But in case if your hair is very thick and you have a very lengthy hair, the mask quantity will not be enough. So that is my only concern. Other than that, the mask is so good. It's very nourishing because while you apply, you can definitely feel that. Maybe the brand could come up with different quantities of the mask which help in people selecting according to their hair length and thickness. After applying the mask, we have to tie the hair into a bun and then we have to proceed with the self-heating cap that comes with the kit. This is the self-heating cap. The cap is for one-time use and we are supposed to dispose it after using it. This cap helps in penetration of the nourishing mask into the hair strands, making it softer and shiny. We are supposed to keep this self-heating cap for about 5 minutes and then rinse our hair with plain water. Do not use any shampoo. After a few seconds of wearing the steam cap, I could feel some warm sensation, which means the cap is working. After 5 minutes, I went and rinsed my hair with just plain water. Now I could feel my hair very smooth and soft and also it smells so great. With my regular shampoo and conditioner, I have never achieved such a soft and smooth, also shiny hair. But this has done a great job. Definitely, I have to accept that. To show you people the effect of the mask, I didn't even blow dry my hair. Just I have dried my hair with a regular hair dryer. So that's why my baby hairs are flying away. It's not frizziness, it's just my baby hair. This effect lasted for about 5 days. In case if I had blow dried my hair would have looked even more great. Well, I'm not really sure about how this mask will perform in curly hair people, but definitely for people with mild wavy hair and mild textured hair, this mask will definitely work so great. And one more thing that I'm concerned is about the mask quantity, because for my medium hair the mask was sufficient enough, but for long and thick hair definitely the mask will be insufficient. Other than that, I'm completely satisfied with this mask. I would definitely say that this is an amazing launch by L'Oreal Paris. And friends, this video is not sponsored. I am sharing my honest opinion. I have used this mask and I'm sharing my thoughts about this one, so you can completely trust it. For my hair texture, this mask has really worked well. So my dear friends, I hope this video will be really useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and in case if you're new to my channel, do take a look at my videos, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be meeting you soon in my next interesting video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and